Hello there! I've seen a lot of other videos on how to make copy and paste YouTube videos and make money out of them. But they're very complicated. You gotta get B-roll, audio stuff, way more complicated than I would intend for you. And I'm sure that if you wanted to do that, you would just go ahead and start a normal YouTube channel. But you wanna learn how to make a copy-paste YouTube channel. So this video will help you do just that by walking you through the exact process the copy-paste channels go through. And I can shout out your YouTube channel out to help you grow. You just comment it down below, put it in my shout out jar, and then shout you out because you're awesome in the next videos, just like this. There's channels on YouTube, just like this ones right here, that just make Reddit videos, meaning they go on Reddit, find funny memes, and then create compilations
Ask Reddit. Exit.
like this with an automated voice. And as you can see, this channel is making over 3 million views per month with just 25 videos, which is around less than a video per day. We go ahead and check how much this channel can potentially be making. My channel is getting around a $4 CPM because I got multiple videos and I'm getting around 5,000 views per day, 10,000 per 48 hours. So if we multiply their views by $4 per thousand, that should be something like this. A very high chance they're making 4 grand a month. This channel with just 270,000 subscribers, all they do is go on Reddit based on a topic they like, for example memes, and they'll talk stories about the memes. For example, they'll go ahead and read meme stories, twice the pre-code, double the memes. So they'll show this and then read the comments. That's all you gotta do. This is how you create copy-paste videos. You can just edit them with free editing software. There's so many online. This is actually one of the easiest ways to make money online. This is an OBS tutorial. If you have any questions, I reply to every single comment. Just try me. And by the end of this video, make sure you like it, subscribe to the channel because my team makes over 3 videos per day for you because we want to take over YouTube. So if you want to help us, subscribe. By the end of this video, make sure you check one of these 2 videos out. This is no financial advice, this is no medical advice. Do your own due diligence. Results can vary, this one or this video. One of the 2 to continue. Bye.